A very good morning to y'all. We are going to start with the chapter 8 decimals. Topic decimals introducing tenths and hundredths will be covered in this video number 1. Now let's see what is meant by decimals. Where do we use decimals? Decimals we use every day in your life when you are dealing with money, weight, length, etc. Now decimals are used in situations where more precision is required than a whole number. So let's see, when a digit moves to the right of one's place, it gets 10 times smaller. When it moves towards the right, it gets 10 times smaller. Now let's see some example. I'm going to write a number 248.6. Okay, now we have 8 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, and 2 is in hundreds place. How do you find the place value? 8 into 1 you get 8, 4 into 10 you get 40, 2 into 100 you get 200. As it moves towards the left, the number goes on increasing. As you move towards right, it gets 10 times smaller. That is how to write 6 by 10. After the point you will write 6 by 10. Now let's see parts of a decimal number. I have given a decimal number 1.6. Now this point is called the decimal point. After the decimal point, it's a decimal part which is less than 1 whole. Now 1 is a whole number. Okay, after before to the left hand side, a number which is there in, to the left hand side of the decimal point is called the whole number. Now let's see 1/10. How to write? When 1 is divided into 10 equal parts, each part is called 1/10. It can be named by a fraction or decimal. Let's see with a figure. This is 1 whole. The whole square box is shaded, so you call it as 1 whole. Now this square box is divided into 10 equal parts. Each part is called 1 by 10. Each part is called 1 by 10 because one part is being chosen to be shaded. So you write as 1 by 10. If 2 parts is being shaded, you write 2 by 10. If 3 parts is shaded, you write 3 by 10. If 4 by 10, like that it goes on. Now here each portion is 1 by 10. Now how do you write 1/10? 1/10 you write in fraction as 1 by 10. Here the square box is divided into 10 equal parts. Each part is called 1 by 10. Now how do you write in decimal number? A decimal number you write as you just have only 1 0 in the denominator part. So you'll put a point and then write 1. 0.1. This is how you write in decimal number. 0.1, you just have only 1 0 in the denominator part. So next to the right hand side of the decimal point, you just have only one number. You write there 1, 0.1. Now if you are writing having the number 2 by 10, if 2 portions being shaded from 10 equal parts, you write as 0.2. The same way, if you have 3 parts is being shaded from 10 equal parts, you write as 0.3. This is how you write in decimal number. Same as the number goes on, you just have to change it. Now hundredths, when 1/10 is further divided again into 10 equal parts, it's called hundredths. It can be named by a fraction or decimal. Now let's see with figure. This is 1 whole. The whole box is being, square box is being shaded. So it's 1 whole. Again the square box is being divided into 10 equal parts, which is we have 10 equal parts, which is 1 by 10. Now next one, this 10 equal parts is again divided into 10 parts, which we have 10 rows and 10 columns. So 10 into 10, we have 100 square boxes, which is called, each square box is called 1 by hundredths. 1 hundredths. 1 by hundredths you write as 0.01, because we have 2 zeros in denominator part. So to the right hand side of the decimal, after the decimal point, you need 2 numbers. So 0, 1. Got it? Now next one, this is the whole square box, that is 1 whole, that is 1. This is tenths. We have 10 equal parts, which is called tenths, and we have 100 equal boxes, which is called hundredths. Now let's see some questions based on these figures. Now this is called 1 whole, that is 1 plus, you have the same thing, 1 whole is called 1. Here also 1, you need to add and find the decimal. Here from 10 equal parts, 3 is being shaded, 1, 2, 3. So you write as in the fraction as 3 by 10. Now next step, you will write 1 plus 1 plus 3 by 10. How do you write in decimal? You write 0.3. Got it? Now after that, you need to add all together. So you get 1.0. You can write like that because you have 0.3. Either if you write 1, it's okay, but next to the decimal point you have to separate it. So 3 you will get it, 1 plus 1 you get 2. So 2.3. Now next question, second question, you have a whole box, which is 1 plus, now from 10 equal parts, 4 is being shaded. You write in fraction as 4 by 10, which you write 1 plus, how to write in decimal? 0.4. Now when you add together, you will get 1.4. Now let's move on to the next question. Third question, a figure is given with 100 small square boxes. Now 8 is being shaded, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boxes is being shaded. How do you write in a fraction? You write it as 8 by 100, because 100 small square boxes is there. 100 equal boxes, from that 8 is being shaded. So you write in fraction as 8 by 100. Now how do you write in decimal? You have 2 zeros in the decimal part, so you need, after decimal point, you need 2 numbers, that is 0.08. 0.08. This is how you write. Now next question, fourth one, you have a whole square box, and then you have 100 equal boxes. From that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes is being shaded. So you write 1 plus 10 by 100. Now how do you write? You write as 1 plus 0.10. Either you can write, either you can strike off the common number 00 and then write 0.1. Even if you don't write either form, you can write 1.0.10. How much you get? 1.1. Okay, 1.10. Now you have some questions in your textbook, page number 142, exercise homework, textbook, page number 142. You have questions 1 and 2. You can do textbook questions 1 and 2 as homework. Exercise 8B. 8B 1 and 2 you can do it as homework. That's all for your class today. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.